Moving on from question 10 of logical reasoning drill set number 9 over at lawhub.lsac.org, we've got a highlight tool ready to go, and we're being asked the statements above, if true, provide most support for which one of the following hypotheses. So you have to be careful about this word support. Support can indicate a strengthened task. Support can also indicate an inference task. You have to consider the direction of support. Do the statements support a conclusion, do the statements support a choice that functions as a de facto conclusion, or do the choices support an already provided conclusion? So here we can see that the statements above are supposed to support one of the following. When that happens, we're looking at a hidden inference task, kind of. So we're going to read the information on the left, highlight the statements independently in different colors to differentiate them, and then locate the one answer choice that logically follows from those statements. So reading from the top, I'm just going to call those dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, which date to about the time of the earliest birds, had forelimbs that were too short to allow them to fly. Wonderful. Highlighting that in orange. We'll switch to yellow. Yet, fossils of dinosaurs appear to indicate that these dinosaurs were feathered. Okay, wonderful. So we've got feathered dinosaurs. Going to go to pink. Feathers on warm-blooded animals like birds retain body heat needed to maintain body temperature. Okay, there's just another fact. Any animals that are cold-blooded, like lizards, cannot have feathers. So I'm going to highlight this back in my orange. And then we'll switch back to our yellow, since feathers would prevent heat absorption needed to maintain body temperature. And I just split that final sentence into two statements because one is basically the reason that the other occurred. So I want to have those distinguished for myself as we go through. So thank you for watching this LSAT explanation video of an official practice problem over at lawhub.lsac.org. If you're enjoying the explanation, please consider becoming a MyGuru member to get early and exclusive access to additional explanation problems to help you on your LSAT journey. You can also like the video and subscribe to become notified when additional practice explanation videos are produced by MyGuru. But for now, let's get back to this explanation. We've got to focus on these facts, and we're going to look for reasons to eliminate in the answer choices that are either a reversal of the information presented, that are extreme based on the information presented, or need additional information to be certain based on the information presented. So, dinosaurs were cold-blooded. Let's focus on cold-blooded. So we know that any animals that are cold-blooded cannot have feathers. We know that these dinosaurs were feathered, so this is absolutely backwards. We'll eliminate choice A. Some flying dinosaurs did not have feathers. We know that dinosaurs had forelimbs that were too short to fly. We never actually introduced the concept of flying dinosaurs here, so B is out as needing additional information. Then choice C, dinosaurs were ancestors of modern birds. I don't know that at all. We haven't really talked about modern birds in any meaningful fashion. We don't know that dinosaurs were literally their ancestors, so C is going to need additional information as well. Then choice D, dinosaurs were warm-blooded. Well, we know that feathers are on warm-blooded animals, and dinosaurs apparently had feathers, so that links those two statements. And then choice E, we only talked about dinosaurs, so anything about most dinosaurs is going to need additional information, and you do have to be careful about bringing outside information that you might be familiar with if you really like dinosaurs when you're evaluating question 11. Otherwise, you might choose something that isn't the correct answer of D.